Hello, everybody. This is Candace with TaylorMade for you. So I know I may look crazy right now, and I know I have one color that's different from the other colors of the flex rods, but I just wanted to get on and show you. I've done this before with the flex rods, and I wanted to show the difference in the curls versus the soft rollers or the sponge rollers and their curls and these. So again, I'm not a hair professional, a stylist, so you may know a better way to do them. You may, but I did my best to roll them so that hopefully that it will again come out more curlier and more fuller like before. So I'm going to take them out and we shall see. So as you can see, the curls look more tighter, and I like that because before it lasted like 3 to 4, well actually it was about 3 to 5 days that the curls were still there, and all I did was just kind of took I took the hair every night and I just twisted it, you know, like this, and then just, you know, wrapped it around and then put my little scrunchie thing. And that was every night after I rolled them with the flex rod to keep the curl. And then every morning when I would wake up, the curl would still be there like this. So, okay, I just wanted to show, maybe give someone an idea of how Microlocs look with using flex rods. So, okay, bye.